Hi everyone, I'm Harry. I'm here to talk to you about the Sefarinha Autumn-Winter 20 women's lifestyle jacket. It is a waterproof, breathable Isotex fabric. It is fully tape seamed with DWR and comes with a polyester twill fabric. It is filled with a heavyweight fill, and that is with synthetic warm loft. Inside the jacket is a poly lining with a quilted back. On the inside, you'll find an internal security pocket, the jacket features a grown-on hood, which comes with a volume adjuster to the back, and also comes with adjusters to the front, so a fully adjustable hood. As you can see here as well, it comes with luxury faux fur, which is fully removable. It features a two-way zip. Because this is a longer line jacket, you can zip it on the front zip. You can obviously zip it down and up, but to give you more flexibility, you can zip it on the bottom. It comes with two upper zipped chest pockets, which are located here for extra storage. It has a drawcord adjuster, so if you go to the inside of the jacket, which where it's located, so the drawcord adjuster to make it tighter around the waist is located here. The cuffs feature internal stormcuffs, which are elasticated. It has two lower patch pockets, which are button down fastened. The storage also has side entry pockets with hand warmers behind as well to keep your hands nice and warm. Hope this covers everything on the Sefarinha. Thank you for watching.